Hello, this is a tutorial on 3.3b1. We're going to be solving multiplication equations. This one actually came out okay. Usually everything gets messed up when I try to leave these graphics on these worksheets. When it goes from a Word to a PDF, it sometimes gets screwed up. So we had 4c equals 16. Here's our initial problem that we started off with. And that means 4 times c. Well, when we had the division equation, we used multiplication to solve. When we have multiplication equation, we use division to solve. So this is 4 times c equals 16. So the way we get c by itself, the way we isolate it, is to divide both sides by 4. These 4's cross off and you're left with c equals 4. Makes sense. If you're not sure, put it in. 4 times 4 equals 16. We just checked our answer. Alright, so let's look at this one. 10x equals 50. This means 10 times x, so the way I get rid of 10 times x is to divide both sides by 10. Whatever you do to one side, you have to do to the other side. You can use these railroad tracks going down. It's not required. Sorry, I got my line too far there. But this line going across here is required. Alright, I usually circle my answer. Alright, 42 equals 6s. Well, I'm going to divide this side by 6. I'm going to divide this side by 6. S equals 7. Alright, so again, if you want to put these in, you can, but you don't need to. When we get to the next problems, target two-step equations, they are required. Alright, now you're going to notice that there's some problems that have negative numbers on here. You could skip those or you can try them. You accelerated students, you need to try them. So I'm just going to do one right here. This has a negative number. I see the negative 9x. So just divide this by 9, divide this by 9. That's what we do on the other one, right? Well, if it's a negative, we just divide by a negative because when you divide a negative by a negative, you get a positive. 63 divided by 9 is going to be 7, and it's also a negative divided by a negative, so that's a positive 7. Alright? So we've got a lot of negative type numbers that are going to be in this bottom half. So regular 6th grade math students, these couple of lines right here, from here, you could skip those. Those are all going to be negative numbers. Again, accelerated students, the expectation is that you will do those. And if you're doing this as an independent study, you should do them all. Let's just do one with decimals in it. They're not tough. We have 0.6q equals 3.6. Well, we don't care what 0.6q is. We want to know what a whole q is. So we're going to divide it by 0.6, divide this by 0.6. 0.6 divided by 0.6 is just 1. We've isolated it. We've got q. And you can use your calculator if you want on this. I mean, I don't care. You could probably figure it out in your head. It's like $3.60 divided by 60 cents. But 3.6 divided by 0.6 equals 6. And there you go. Not sure what it means? Well, think about this. Here's the 0.6 that we had. We're going to multiply it times 6 equals 3.6. Well, put a 0 there. 0.6 would be like 60 cents times 6 is $3.60. Use your knowledge of money on these. All right, good luck.